Okay, so we're going to use PAST, which is a statistical software, very easy to learn and use, but as always, the first thing that holds us back is how do I import my data into this statistical software. So I'll soon show you, but first let's have a look at the data. Usually data comes in columns. Each column possesses a header, and below that the data. Sometimes you will also have something combined, let's say group, and this is Asia, and this is Europe, for instance. So it has a header at the line too, maybe. So now we can go to past once we understand the structure of the data. The original structure was like that. I simply copy, go to past, I mark that I want to enter column attributes, and go to the first cell in the spreadsheet and paste. You can see that the variable names are the column headings, and the data is the original data. If I wanted to use both row attributes and table and line attributes, and column attributes, I would copy this way, and again go to my first cell and paste. Sometimes it matters for the software. This is the easiest way to import data to past. You could also do some other thing. Make sure that your data begins in cell A1 and save it as text file. Text file, this one, tab delimited. I already have a file with that name, but I will simply replace it. Now I must close Excel and open this new file here. It asks me for the column separator, which is tab, as you saw, and I can say that the rows have both names and data, and the columns also have both names and data, and I get the same result like before. This is the way you saw it before. Okay, so now we completed importing the data.